and welcome to another video from Paraplays. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, as these seem to be really big on YouTube at the minute. People seem to enjoy it, so this is going to be something a little bit different for me. So let me open this and let's see what goodies await inside. Come on, Para, open that box. So I've been in touch recently with a company in the UK that also distributes through America, and asked them if it was possible to get a few samples for the site. Something I could open up and have a little bit of fun with, and I think you can already see on the video what said items are. But let's actually just get this first thing out here. They've actually sent me a t-shirt as well, so it would be rude not to open this. I know unboxing videos are very popular with Airsoft, so why not? I thought I'd have a go at this, since I'm not doing gaming videos anymore. So I think that's kind of giving it away. You know what's in that box, and if you're in the Airsoft world, you already know by the labelling on some of the things in this box what we're actually going to be opening. Yes, this is a large sample box from Enola Gay, which are, I think, probably the world's #1 people for creating smoke, flashbangs and grenades, not only for the Airsoft world but also for reenactments. And I've even seen a few people jumping out of planes holding these, parachuters and things like that. So they really do cover the majority of things that you're going to want to use these for, and I've got quite a large selection in here. This is the EG18X, and what I'll probably do, this is cover smoke by the way, there are different types in here. And what I'll probably do is we'll go through this unboxing and just have a little sneaky look at these. And then in a separate video, I will be going out into the woods and testing these. It's probably going to be a better idea for me to do this on an actual licensed Airsoft site. I don't know what the legality is currently in the UK for me to be going out in my back garden and throwing, well, military grade smoke grenades around, as one of them has actually got Mil-X on it. So I'll have to read up a little bit on some of these, where the legislation is and where we stand. I've also got to be quite careful as well when I'm doing some of the videos in my back garden and other places around me, because there is a primary school very close, and of course it only takes one person to see you and report you, and this could affect not only UK legislation, but it could affect the sport as well in general. So you need to be responsible with this stuff. Don't just go out and start throwing it around and running around with an handgun, because you're only going to get yourself into trouble and the community and the sport in general. So that's just a little bit of a warning for you. So I am going to be quite selective on where I pull these and show these. And I have actually been supplied with 2 of each grenade type. So there is pull draw strings, there is a sparker on the top on some of them, and there's another one here. I've actually got, what's this, an orange one. This is a burst. So there are different types. Some of them produce more smoke at a longer burn. Some of them produce a smaller and they don't last as long, so we will be looking at that. And these look like the high output smokes, the Mil-X, which I presume they're going to class this as the military grade ones, and these come in this sealed silver foil thing here. And I am also being told that a lot of these are cold burning, but I will be reading the instructions on each one of these just to give you a little bit of information on whether it's cover smoke, signal smoke, the dangers and the uses for all these, and how we actually get them out in the field. And then we'll do a second set of me actually using them in a game, which is probably where it's going to be more interesting. But I hope this has been a little bit of interest here. I'm quite excited about doing this. It may be a while before I actually do the video, as I mentioned, because I need to be able to do this at an official site. But if you'll know from my background in PC games, anything that goes bang, whoosh, bang, explosion, smoke, steam, you name it, I love it. So the opportunity to play with some flashbangs, some smoke grenades and other little bits in here is something I'm very, very looking forward to. So I've been Paraplays, and this is going to be a brilliant video. I'm getting excited about creating the video myself, never mind other people watching it. So a big thank you out to Enola Gay for sending me this sample pack. I will be doing an in-depth review and testing on each one of these videos, a little bit more in depth. This is just kind of like the box opening. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and keep tuned, subscribe and thumbs up. And can I grow the channel now? I'm not doing PC games. That's in your hands, not mine. Thanks for watching. I shall see you in another video real soon.